What's up everyone, Dennis here, and today we have an exciting video for all you camera gear enthusiasts out there. We'll be comparing two iconic cameras, the Canon 40D and the Sony A7 III. Now, I know what you're thinking. Dennis, why are we comparing a camera that's over a decade old to a modern mirrorless powerhouse? Well, stick around because this is going to be an interesting shootout. Let's start with the Canon 40D. This camera was released back in 2007 and quickly became a favorite among many photographers. It features a robust build quality and a 10.1 megapixel APS-C sensor. Paired with the Canon EF 100-400 Mark I lens, this combination has been a workhorse for wildlife and sports photographers. As you can see from these sample images, the image quality from the Canon 40D is still impressive, even by today's standards. The colors are vibrant and the level of detail is quite good. However, where the Canon 40D falls short is in its low light performance and dynamic range. When shooting in low light situations, such as at dusk or indoors, the Canon 40D struggles to maintain clean images. The noise levels can become quite noticeable, limiting your ability to push the ISO. Additionally, the dynamic range is not as wide as what we've come to expect from modern cameras, resulting in some loss of detail in the shadows and highlights. Now let's talk about the Sony A7 III. This camera, released in 2018, shook up the industry with its incredible capabilities. It boasts a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor which delivers stunning image quality and exceptional low-light performance. The Sony A7 III, when paired with the Canon EF 100-400 Mark I lens using a compatible adapter, retains the excellent image quality we saw with the Canon 40D. But what sets it apart is its low-light capabilities. The larger sensor and advanced noise reduction technology allow you to shoot in challenging lighting conditions without compromising image quality. Just look at these low light photos. The Sony A7 III produces clean, noise-free images even at higher ISOs, which gives you the flexibility to shoot in almost any lighting situation. And the dynamic range? Well, it's vastly improved compared to the Canon 40D, allowing you to capture more details in both the shadows and highlights. So when it comes to comparing the Canon 40D and the Sony A7 III using the Canon EF 100-400 Mark I lens, it's clear that the Sony A7 III has the advantage in terms of low light performance and dynamic range. However, let's not forget that the Canon 40D still holds its own and can produce great images, especially in good lighting conditions. And also, let's compare these two pictures. The left one is clearly less noisy and of superior quality. What if I told you that both were taken with the exact same camera, but we just used the new Lightroom noise reduction? That makes the Canon 40D even better. Thanks for joining me on this camera comparison adventure. Remember, the right camera for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Both of these cameras have their strength, and it's up to you to decide which one suits your shooting style best. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.